Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simple Speak English, the podcast where we help you speak English clearly, calmly, and confidently, even if you feel shy, nervous, or afraid of making mistakes when you speak.
Hello and welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us today. Whether you are listening at home, in your car, at work, or while walking and practicing your English little by little in your daily life. If you understand English, but your mind goes quiet the moment you need to speak, if your heart beats faster when someone talks to you in English, and if you are afraid of making mistakes or sounding wrong, then this episode is made exactly for you.
Today we are going to show you that confidence does not come from perfect English. It comes from simple, clear sentences and the courage to speak, even when you feel shy.
You do not need advanced grammar, you do not need big words, and you do not need to sound like a native speaker to be respected and understood.
So stay with us, listen carefully, and remember this. You are not bad at English. You are just one decision away from speaking it. Today's episode is for anyone who understands English, who studies English, who watches English videos, but still feels shy when it is time to speak English out loud in real life.
And if you have ever stayed quiet in a conversation, not because you had nothing to say, but because you were afraid of saying it in English, then this episode is especially for you.
The title of today's episode is Don't Be Shy to Speak English, and we are going to talk about fear, confidence, mistakes, and how you can start speaking English naturally without feeling embarrassed or stressed.
Why so many people feel shy speaking English? Lily, one of the most common things we hear from English learners is that they feel shy or nervous when they want to speak, even when they know the words and understand the conversation.
That is very true, Mark, and this happens because many learners connect speaking English with being judged, corrected, or misunderstood, especially if they had negative experiences in the past.
Some people were corrected too harshly at school, some were laughed at, and some simply compare themselves to native speakers and feel that they are not good enough.
But the truth is that feeling shy does not mean you are bad at English. It only means you care. And caring is actually a good sign because it shows that you want to communicate clearly and respectfully.
The problem starts when shyness turns into silence, because silence stops progress, and speaking, even imperfectly, is the only real way to improve.
One very important thing we want to say clearly today is that you do not need perfect English to speak confidently, and you do not need advanced grammar to be understood.
Native speakers do not speak perfect English all the time. They make mistakes, they change sentences, and they simplify their language depending on who they are talking to.
Confidence does not come from perfection. Confidence comes from clarity and intention. And if your message is clear, people will respect you and understand you.
Many successful professionals, business owners, and leaders around the world speak English with accents, simple grammar, and clear sentences, and they are respected because they communicate with confidence.
One mistake many learners make is thinking that simple English sounds childish or unprofessional. But in reality, simple English is strong, clear, and very effective.
In business meetings, customer service, leadership, and daily communication, simple English is often preferred because it avoids confusion and saves time.
For example, saying, "Let me check and get back to you," sounds natural, professional, and confident, without using complicated grammar.
And saying, "I need a little more time to think about this," is clear, polite, and strong, even though the sentence is simple.
Let us talk about some common fears English learners have when speaking, because understanding these fears helps you control them instead of letting them control you.
One common fear is making grammar mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning, and most people focus on your message, not your grammar.
Another fear is pronunciation. But having an accent does not mean you are unclear, and many accents are completely understandable and even appreciated.
Some learners fear forgetting words while speaking, but pausing, rephrasing, or using simpler words is completely normal in real conversations.
Now let us share some sentences that help you speak confidently, even when you are not completely sure about your English.
These sentences give you time, control, and comfort in conversations.
Let me think about that for a moment. I may not say this perfectly, but I want to share my idea. Please let me know if I am not clear. I am still learning, but I will do my best. That is a good question, and here is what I think.
Using sentences like these shows confidence, honesty, and professionalism, and people usually respond positively.
Many people ask how they can practice speaking English when they feel shy, especially if they do not have many opportunities to speak with others.
One powerful method is speaking out loud while listening to podcasts or videos, repeating sentences slowly, and focusing on rhythm and clarity.
Another helpful method is speaking to yourself in English, describing your day, your plans, or your thoughts in simple language.
You can also practice short conversations in safe environments, such as language apps, online communities, or with supportive friends.
Social situations can be stressful for English learners, but simple English works very well in casual conversations.
Here are some natural sentences you can use socially. How has your day been? That sounds interesting. Tell me more. I really like that idea. It was nice talking with you. I hope we can talk again soon.
These sentences are friendly, natural, and easy to remember.
At work, confidence is extremely important, and speaking clearly even with simple English helps you build trust.
I understand the task, and I will start working on it. I have a question before I continue. I will update you as soon as I have more information. Thank you for your feedback. It is very helpful.
These sentences sound professional, calm, and confident.
One of the biggest secrets to speaking English confidently is mindset, because how you think affects how you speak.
If you believe that mistakes mean failure, you will stay quiet. But if you believe that mistakes mean learning, you will speak more freely.
Every sentence you speak, even with mistakes, is progress.
If you remember only one thing from today's episode, remember this: your voice matters, and your English does not need to be perfect to be valuable.
Do not wait until you feel ready, because confidence comes from speaking, not from waiting.
Be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, and allow yourself to speak English one sentence at a time.
Thank you so much for listening to Simple Speak English, and for spending this time practicing and improving your English with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, follow, or share it with someone who feels shy speaking English.
Listen again, repeat the sentences, and remember that simple English is strong English.
Until next time, do not be shy to speak English, because every word you say brings you closer to confidence.
See you in the next episode of Simple Speak English.